guys, and welcome back to our channel Rescue Digital Media. Today, in this video, I will show you how to Unidentified Codec, VLC could not identify the audio or video codec error with 5 quick fixes. But before that, like, subscribe and ring the bell icon to get notified when our new video lands. Now, let's move on to fix this issue. Solution 1. Modify the input and codec settings. Here is how you can do so. Open the VLC media player on your PC. Then, go to Tools. Then Preferences. When the pop-up window appears, select Input and Codecs option in the Advanced Preferences section. After this, tap on all, which you can see in the bottom left side. Tap Show Settings. In a search bar, type File Caching. And then you have to set it to the 1000 value. Finally, tap on the Save and restart your PC. Solution 2. Enable video and audio output settings. Since the issue is related to the audio and video, so consider enabling video and audio output settings in VLC preferences. Steps to enable the video settings. Firstly, go to the Video tab in the Simple Preferences page. Next, you have to check the Enable Video. Here, simply change the video output mode, choose OpenGL Video Output, and verify if it helps. Lastly, tap on the Save button to save the changes that you have made. Steps to enable the audio settings. First of all, go to Tools. Tap Preferences in the VLC media player. Then, go to the Audio tab. At this time, check if Enable Audio option has been selected or not. If not, then select it. Click on the Save. Solution 3. Install correct video codec for VLC. The Unidentified Codec, VLC could not identify the audio or video codec error message mainly occurs due to an unavailable VLC video codec. In such an instance, you will have to install the required video codec for VLC on your computer and then try to stream the video or footage again. Solution 4. Reset VLC preferences. Resetting VLC to its default settings can help resolve certain error issues including Unidentified Codec VLC. Here's how. Open VLC. Click on Tools in the menu bar. Select Preferences. In the lower left corner, check the box that says All under Show Settings. Click on Reset Preferences at the bottom of the Preferences window. Solution 5. Update VLC Player. Running an outdated version of the VLC player is another foremost reason for such errors. So, once check if your VLC program is outdated or not. If it's outdated, try to update it to its latest version. Here is how you can update the VLC media player. Launch VLC media player, then go to the help that you can see at the top menu bar of your screen. Then select the option Check for Updates. Then, your device will begin scanning for available updates. Now, follow the on-screen instructions in order to finish the process. Video Repair Tool. Fix corrupted, jerky, pixelated, grainy, out of sync, truncated, blurry, no sound, black/gray screen, and other video-related issues with Video Repair Tool. Apart from that, it can also repair corruption in video frames, header, and slider movement. The best thing about this program is that, it's available on both the OS, Windows and Mac respectively. So, just download and install this video repair on your PC and repair grainy/pixelated video easily. Here is how you can use this tool. Download, install and launch video repair software on your system. Click on Add Files to add corrupted video files. Click on Repair button to begin the repairing process. This start repairing your added video files one by one. You can click on Preview, in order to preview the repaired video file within the software. And click on Save Repaired Files button to save the repaired videos at desired location. Find its download and user guide links in the below description box. Thanks for watching.